There are two primary methods to open your Mazda CX-5 key fob, depending on the model. The first method, used on most models, involves locating the release tab or button on the keyring side of the fob. Press and slide this tab to release the case, allowing you to access the battery compartment. If your fob lacks a release tab, you'll need to use the split case technique. Carefully insert a small flat screwdriver into the seam between the two plastic halves of the fob. Gently pry the case apart, being cautious not to scratch the plastic. Newer post-2022 CX-5 fobs feature a redesigned release mechanism for easier access. Always avoid using excessive force to prevent damage. Remember to handle the internal components with care to avoid damaging the circuit board. Once the key fob is open, carefully remove the old CR232 battery. Take note of the battery's orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up. Insert the new CR232 battery in the same orientation. Snap the key fob case back together, ensuring it's securely closed. Test the functionality of the fob by pressing the lock/unlock buttons. To maintain your key fob's lifespan, avoid exposure to extreme temperatures, as cold can affect battery performance. Consider using dielectric grease on the contacts during reassembly to prevent corrosion. Also, handle the circuit board with anti-static precautions. While DIY battery replacements are increasingly common, remember that improper opening can lead to internal damage, potentially voiding your warranty. In such cases, professional servicing is recommended.